Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with a figure review. So today we'll be taking a look at the Ice Age Nature Tube by Wild Republic. I found this set at a thrift store. It's missing its campfire, but overall the figures are all still in somewhat decent condition. So this set contains 4 Ice Age mammals, a woolly rhino, woolly mammoth, a giant ground sloth, and a saber-toothed cat, along with 4 cavemen. And the set would usually come with a little fire pit that this guy would be keeping warm on, as well as this stone in the back with a horse skull attached to it. The horse skull can become unattached from this little peg in the side, which is an interesting little feature that it has. And the cavemen all come with chest hair and bowl cuts, and they're quite white looking, which is interesting to see that they chose this skin color for the cavemen. As for the Ice Age mammals, we've got a very large-headed saber-toothed cat. Its paint job's pretty nice. It's got some spots along the back. A very nasty looking head. Very, very intimidating. The ground sloth is pretty cool. It's reared up like it's eating from a tree, and it's got an interesting color pattern on the back. Each of the animals actually have their names on the stomach, so it's nice that they fit that in there. Very educational. Always like it when models have the names on the stomachs. And then here's the woolly rhino. For woolly rhino, it actually is quite smooth. It's got like a hair pattern on the stomach and on the head, but the rest of the body has this kind of skin-like look to it. It's very shiny. So obviously these animals are not in scale with each other because they're small, they come in the tube, and all the cavemen tower over them. Not too big of an issue with that. Now let's look at the cavemen. So they come with little bases to stand on, with little details like bones and rocks. It says Neanderthal man on the bottom. And then sometimes they have little descriptions, I think. Let's see. Here we go. Stone, skull, whelk. And there's a little cave painting on the rock. That's pretty cool. I never really see cave paintings in model sets, so it's a nice detail to see in this one. See, there's some little like rocks or shells, and then this guy's making some tools, and this one's standing over a fire. So overall, this is a pretty neat little set. It comes with a variety of different figures and is definitely great for repaints and dioramas. So if you have a school project, this set's actually pretty cheap and available. You can find it on everythingdinosaur.com, and I'm pretty sure you can also find it at various different museums and science and nature gift shops. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and a comment, and if you want to see more content like this, subscribe. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.